Hey, what's up? I want you guys to hear this. This doesn't sound good. I'm gonna walk over to it. And I'll let you hear. You guys know what that is? Rod knock. On a paramedic truck. Rod knock. Looks like somebody's getting an engine, huh? Sorry, I got cut off there a minute ago. That's number 3 rod knock. So no bueno on that one. Probably gonna end up getting a new engine. I still got it outside running. So I'm gonna put in a ticket for a new engine and we'll go from there. This one's actually maintained pretty well. It's just a failure. I mean, they do have the crap out of these things. So I appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out that horrible engine noise. If you don't mind, if you haven't done so already, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned for more.